Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a watermark in your video in Davinci Resolve. So as you can see, I already have a video in my Davinci Resolve timeline. So now what you have to do is just simply import your watermark or image by simply dragging and dropping onto the timeline, or just simply first importing your watermark into the media pool and then just simply drag it from that place. Now after dragging the image, the timeline, adjust the image size a little bit. So because it's a little too big right now, so you simply go to the inspector panel over here, the zoom, then change a little bit of position. Now just simply decrease the opacity a little bit. If you want, you can also change the position more and the zoom as well. You can also change the opacity level a little bit if you want to. And now just simply add a drop shadow onto your watermark. So for doing that, just simply go to effect, then go to filter, then scroll down, or just simply search shadow over here, and then just simply drag in the drop shadow. Then just simply zoom in to see the effect of the drop shadow. So just simply scroll in to your media, into your video. Then for changing the drop shadow settings, just simply go to effects over here, and over here you will find the drop shadow settings. So quickly edit over here a little bit. So as you can see, I'm done with the drop shadows and the watermark is complete. So that's it. That's how you can add watermark onto your video in Davinci Resolve. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.